things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer here at today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Thursday, June 10th. All right, very light dark pool activity yesterday, but we're going to be bullish above 423. You can see on this 5-minute chart right here, we do have some traffic up ahead, peanut butter and jelly, I call it. The 200 exponential, 200 simple. Yeah, so I picked the strongest level above that. We had a couple pivots along the way. Bear below 420.87. All right, for the bear below on the SPY. Let's head on over to the Russell, check out what's going on over there. All right, the Russell also, you can see, right? We have some obstructions right here. So bullish above that. That's why I went above 232.50, bear below 229.80. We are hugging on to that 4 EMA on the daily chart. Let's go to the QQQs. Similar situation. So you can see the pattern today. Bullish above 337.50 and bear below 335. All right, let's head on over to the E-minis. I'm actually going to just, go to my, Thinkorswim. Yeah, these are the June expirations on the E-minis, by the way, these levels. Bullish above 422.750. All right, if we do go above here, bullish above that, bear below 42.10, right over there. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures are also June, bullish above 13.850. Lots of traffic. Kind of wanted to show you guys this. Yeah, that's why I not an easy trade, but if we do break above 13.850, there's that trade to the upside. And 13.750 if we do start to head down. This is my first target, 13.739. Now you know why, that's S1. But if it goes below that, there's room to go. So it could be a choppy day. Let's head on over to the oil futures. These are July's expiration. And we've been bobbling around this morning above 70, above the pivot. But we do have this trend line, right? That's why I went above 70.20, and that is on my weekly chart. Yep, so I like to be above that. Yep, we're kind of just on that trend line still, and it is, yeah, it's definitely obeying it. So bullish above 70.20 and bear below 69.80. All right, if we do drop below here, there's my trade setup. Let's head on over to the gold futures. Yeah, not having a good morning. Bullish above 18.84. Bear below 18.7750. We've just gone below and we hit our first target. So watch that 18.75. That's your next entry if you're not in this futures trade yet. But the Bitcoin futures are taking off this morning. Yeah, we talked about this. We had that Morningstar pattern, lots of volume, especially on, let me just show you this chart once again in case you missed it yesterday, right? We talked about this in the training pit yesterday, right? Morningstar pattern. I combined Japanese candles with the dark pool, lots of volume. All right, on this doji candle, we talked about that yesterday, and look at that, we, above that, that's bullish. The only thing stopping us right here on the Bitcoin futures are this 20 EMA, right? So I'm bullish above that, 38,500. There's a nice pocket here. Bear below 36,500. All right, we have peanut butter and jelly right here. This is support, right? So that's why I'm bearish below that and bullish above. All right, let's go head on over to the individual stocks. AMC, it's stuck. Yeah, look where it's stuck, you guys, on the daily chart, in between the 4 and the 8 EMA. So, yeah, I like this trade once it breaks out. If it breaks to the upside above 51, I'm bullish. And if it breaks to the downside below 45, I am bearish. But you don't want to trade it in between the 4 and the 8. That's an algo nightmare. Let's head on over to CLF. That was a fantastic trade in the Java pit. Howard, right? We taught about rolling our options to avoid exit-itis. And this is exactly what I was talking about yesterday, you guys, in the Java pit, right? If you're not in it, you're having severe exit-itis, but if you roll to cheaper options, you're feeling pretty good today. So if you're not bullish above 24.50 for the day trade, bear below 23.50 for the bear trade. For just really a retracement trade, and the retracement trade I have is really down to this peanut butter and jelly area. Let's head on over to CLNE. CLNE loves to just spike up pre-market and come back down and then crawl back up all day. That's been the pattern for this one. Bull above 14.20, bear below 12 for CLNE. Remember we had those massive dark pool prints at 9.50. I did spot a seller on the INET at 15. Let's see if he's even here. He might not be showing his face right now. Yeah, because the stock moved down, but he was, and if we do go up, he'll still be there. Let's head on over to Mara. Yep, I like trading Mara when it comes to crypto. It's, you know, the options are pretty decent. Today, bullish above 27.25. The sky is open on the daily chart. Bear below 25 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to FCell, which had earnings. And they're not liking the earnings. Bear below 10. This is, you know, the first test of that 10 level. So there's going to be buyers. I like to wait for the second test. I like it to pop up 25 minutes later. Testing it, if it goes below, that's when I like to go short. Bullish above 11.75. You can see there's a lot of traffic here today. Yeah. So, but you know, earnings are crazy. A lot of times we have massive reversals. So I like to give you those levels on both sides just in case that happens. All right, let's head on over to Plug, which I believe also supposed to have earnings. Not sure. Did they come out yet? Anybody know? Plug. Thought today was the day. Not sure. I know FCell did. But either way, we're going to be bullish above 33. And we're going to be bearish below 31.50. 31.50 for Plug. All right, we're there right now. You can see there's a seller on EdgeX. Right at that 31.50 level. And you can also see, you know, there's a big pocket right here. Nice trade to the downside before it hits that 15 EMA support. Let's head on over to Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Bullish above 36.25. Bear below 33.75 for SPCE. And EDU had sneaky prints. Thank you, Thomas the Train in the Java pit, for letting me know about those beautiful 7.3 million dark pool print yesterday at 9:02. Yep, so we're going to be bullish. Now, I put swing here because it could be a slow move. You know, every time I do that, it moves fast. But I like it for a swing trade. Yeah, if it closes strong. Above 10.08. We just have this little 15 EMA right here and a pivot. So if we close above that 15 EMA, I really like it. But if we close even above this 20 EMA, this is a great swing trade going up. So as long as it stays above the prints, if it goes below 9, I will turn bearish on EDU. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for today, June 10th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody. Oh, and as a reminder, CPI numbers are coming out in 15 minutes. That could move the market. So stay tuned for that.
Nothing, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.